Alright, and welcome to lesson number 5 of Learning to Draw. In this, I will be covering lesson number 7 from You Can Draw in 30 Days, because we've combined several episodes where we will be doing advanced cubes to make a little tower type thing. Looks like a bad background art for some Egyptian cartoon or comic book. If you'd like to follow along and maybe learn something, feel free. With that, let's begin. So we start off with a foreshortened square, aka a diamond. So make our little dots, and then connect them, ish. We aren't going perfect, but that was way off. Again, that was bad. Okay, there we go. Then we're just going to bring this down into a cube. Bring this one lower, there, and right about there. Over, and over. Doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to be erasing quite a bit of this anyway. Alright, then we're going to make another dot a little bit below, right about there. And we're going to stack them again like we did on the table, and we're just going to shoot that out this way and do one this way. Pick a spot right about here, shoot out and shoot out. So we got a cube on top of a square, and then shoot this down, down, down. I'm going to bring that over and shoot that across. Get our eraser tool, get rid of some of this extra. That's a little crooked. Let's redo that line a little bit. I bet we can make it better. Oh yeah, that's a lot better. That one's fine. Okay. So after that, we're actually going to hollow out this top cube. So what we're going to do is we're going to take and we're going to draw a nice big arch. And we're going to do the same on this side. Nice big arch. And then from there, we're going to get to a blind spot where you wouldn't really be able to see it. And curve this down. And then just shoot it straight across. And again, on this spot, pick a blind spot. Start thin and thicken it out. Curving it down. And shoot it across. I think we went a little too far back. There we go. I'm going to bring this one all the way down and shoot across. Right, so with that we can get rid of these lines right here. And right there. And it gives us kind of a hollow looking. But we're going to take this one step farther. Because the lesson has us doing that, we're going to put a little dot there, little dot there, and then we're not don't look directly at this line. It says to look at the edge of the paper, or in my case, the edge part of my screen, and we're going to go straight-ish down, and again on this side, and then out slightly, set an angle, shoot across, connect them. I think we need to go out a little farther on this one actually. So we're going to shoot it out. Yeah, that should be more of a 90-degree over there too. Erase that. Shoot it out. Shoot it out. Across. Shoot it. And just drag that down. I cannot get this angle right. There we go. Bring it across. We'll make a nice little ramp. We'll take it near to the top, but we're going to leave that one step for Joe Swanson so he can't get up and get us. Over. Shoot it down. And across. Let's go from tip. And boom. Right there. Now we'll erase these lines we don't need if we actually select our eraser tool. And since we don't need these lines, we can pull that out. And if we erase our lines, we can touch it up later, which will be actually in just a moment. Erase that line over there. We'll need to do a little bit of a touch up, get the mechanical pencil. Okay, and that's our basic shape. I'm going to try something different, and I'm going to try fast forwarding through the shading, but I will highlight where we're going to shade. I will do it in two different colors. I'll use the mechanical pencil for the light areas. You just kind of put dots on them. And on the darker areas, I will use a darker pencil. So this here will be lighter. This will be lighter. And this isn't going to be as dark as that, but it will be lighter. This right here looks like it'll be a little bit darker. We'll do some in here, dark spot in there, then light here, and just basically dark spot coming straight out, all in between all this. And of course, our down here and down here will be real dark. This will probably actually be a little bit lighter. Okay, and with that, I will just see if I can't fast forward through all this. With that, if you want to watch, feel free. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I do hope you learned something. If you wanted to follow along, go ahead.